Check out, this is a car park into Goomboora Park where I walk the dogs occasionally. This is a footpath. Already up to my knees. Holy crap. This is all river now, and it goes 300 metres that way. Holy shit. You normally park your car just here. Alright, this is the after photo when the water's all gone, so you can see the difference here. Unbelievable. Man, it's a lot of water. This is normally green grass all the way. There's a car park up here. I'm going to walk up to the toilet block. See how strong this current is. This is only ankle deep water, so it's not too bad. Bits of wood flying past. Man, that is where I normally run the dogs. So the water's what, halfway up those posts at least. And this is the car park that I was standing in. We'll walk up there next. Thought I smelt something on the way in. Yeah, anybody for barra? Decent size one. And then there's another one there. There's washed up sand out there going all the way out to the back of the park. And then over here is the table I'm standing on. Alrighty, this is Goomboora Park. This is normally a creek here, and that must be 5-10 metres higher than it normally should be. So I'm standing on the picnic bench, which is up on top. There's more picnic bench. There's a pergola over there. This is the open park area, and this is normally the car park. And the toilet block's the only thing here that's above the water. Amazing. Amazing. So, standing on that one and looking into the creek there, that is normally another probably 2 metres lower than it is there. There's a rope hanging off that branch there. That's normally, obviously that's in the water now, that's normally suspended in the air. The kids swing off that. And that area there normally doesn't run. There's normally no water there, it's usually a bit of dry thing as it makes that little section out there an island. But overall, yep, water's all gone. What's this now? Wednesday, so this is 4 days later. And there's the toilet block.